Okay, let's see this. This is one of the error. Number one is I noticed that this link is still the same thing as this link. Google do not like anything duplicate in article. So once you put one thing there, don't duplicate it. For instance, you don't have to duplicate an article. Okay, that means if we already have this article, you will not duplicate it. You not say let me write it again. But that is not the case here. The case here is duplication of link. So here we have this. Let me open it in a. We have this. Okay. All right. So this is it. Techno Common 12 review. Let's go down to this place. This is same article you have added here. Okay. So you don't have to duplicate it. It's an error. Okay. Then secondly, let's see also what you are meant to add. The link you are meant to add mostly, you first of all check if that article has if it's indexed already. It means if the article is present on search engine result page. Okay, that is on Google. All right. How do you check? I already taught this thing. How do you check? It's very simple. Let's say this link now. Wherever you search for it, okay. So let's say you want to search for techno. Let's say you want to search for this techno. Okay, this is techno you want to search it for. I believe that is how you did that, but I think you didn't do it well. But let me just take you to where you can search this. Let's say I'll go to, I've taught you this before, I don't know, to article page. All right, I will type the techno and this will come. Okay, but this is the one you found here, Techno Common 12 review. So I will go ahead and open it. Okay, then what I will do is that I will edit the link. I will come here and add site, then colon, like this. Then I'll check. You can see the link, even the link you added is not on Google. So I will go back. Okay, then there is two kinds of link in article. All right, so majorly you discover that in most cases that the short links are the one getting indexed. How do you identify the short link? Because Google likes short links. So this is it. This is twistok.com/read blog. Then that number, the first number, this number now. Do you understand? This is the number. This one to this place. That is this one. These numbers now. That is before you have this underscore techno blah blah blah. This once you see twistok.com/read then blog / you see the number. This is where the short link means. So what you do is that I will edit this and remove everything before that number. You be careful. I'll remove everything before this number. I will now remove this underscore. Now let me enter it. You will see that it will still load this page. So that is how you try it. You make sure that it load the same page. If you check it now, this is it. It's just a short link. Now let me check if it is indexed. I will check this site colon before HTTPS whatever. You discover that this is on Google. All right. So this is the one indexed. So I'll go ahead. I don't have to copy it from there. I'll open it again to make sure it's open. Then I will now copy it. This is the one you add to your article. All right. This is the one you add to your article. So eventually this is where the link that is supposed to be here. You don't just copy link. You check if this link are indexed. Then for this related article, however, since we are dealing with phones and gadgets, you can actually find another article. Since you didn't find techno, for now you are just writing. I'm trying to teach you, are just writing. Okay, So since you've not found any other article on Techno, you are just developing it. Okay, the only one is this Techno Camon. Okay, so let's say next time this one now, when it's published and is accepted, then what happen is that next one you want to publish, you will now use this one. But as you are publishing it, it's possible that the new one is not showing on Google. But make sure that at least 2 or 3 of your internal link are linked. Now, in this same category, you can find something on phone. You can find something on phone. Like this one now is phone. What is Tesla telephone? This is it. You can use this one as a also read. Okay. Now again, there are other keywords. This is still phone. There are other keywords that match on phones in this article. So let's search the keyword phones, mobile. This is phone. Okay, so let's say I want to search mobile phone. I'll come here and search it here and search it on the article page general, not necessarily, and make sure that I'll be on browse article, not on the category, because on the category it won't show. So I will search mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone. All right, then I will look at it that is related to what we are saying. This is benefit of using the best mobile repair service for fixing your phone. All right, so I will just check if this article makes sense. Does it make sense? Does this article make sense? Okay, I will open it and check. Okay, it look like it make a bit sense. So what I will do is that it's matching with mobile phone. So the keyword mobile phone here is what Google want to see when you interlink, so that it doesn't look like you are deceiving. But however, I will go ahead and search for the entire link, the long link and the short link, to see the one that is on search engine. Okay, I will do it like this. This is not on SAP. I will edit the long link, remove the long link and remain the short link. Remember, yes, good. This is it. I'll enter it to make sure that it load here, so that it doesn't show 404 page. If you show 404 page, that means you missed something. Okay, I'll go ahead and add sites column. Then none of them here. Okay. However, if this didn't work out, I will check another thing, which is phone. Okay, remember that this is where I am searching the keyword mobile phone. I can either use only mobile or I can use phone. So I will check if I can find mobile. Mobile. Let me check. Let me remove phone first. Okay. I was able to find mobile. Let me see what relates. So you have to read the headline to make sure that it relates. That this is automobile. It doesn't relate. This is Empower and World Mobile introduce a Cardano based NFT collaborative project. This didn't work out. This look more of crypto. This is a crypto stuff. So we are looking for strictly on phones topic. All right. Then this is a top 5 mobile game for 20. Yeah, this didn't really work out. Then I will look at the Redmi Ultra K50 Ultra is one of the best expensive Snapdragon 8 plus mobile device. This sound cool to me. Then I will also look at this one, 7 benefits of investing in mobile app development. No, it doesn't work out, but I'm still returning this one. Why I look for the better one. Okay, benefit of using mobile repair service or fixing or whatever. I think that one we have opened it doesn't go. Why your business need mobile app? Mobile app development costs in Canada. Mobile app whatsoever. It's still the same. Doesn't really. This one is all about mobile app. A mobile car, no. Top-notch mobile application, no. Because we are not talking application here, we are talking about phones. Phones. So you must understand the difference. So now you are trying to link back. That moment where you are reading, when you are actually reading an article, you see a particular keyword that is embedded on column, like that this is a link. You see that it goes by red or blue or green or whatsoever the color. It's already linked. So it's just like you see a word, a keyword, you don't understand the meaning very well. But you know that this link will link you to where you will understand more about it. This is exactly what in indexing, exactly what embedding internal link is all about. So what I'm looking at here is that I'm looking at the topic here. I'm looking at what warrants this topic. If I get a topic on mobile phone, techno, even spark adding to it topic, but the main thing I'm focusing on mobile now. Okay, you remember what I'm focusing more now. I think is it mobile or application or phone? Yes, mobile. So by the time I check all that, I didn't see something that match, because there is a choosing the best mobile company. Okay, I trust place for mobile repairing around you. Mobile repairing, top 10 best mobile ringing tone. Okay, this one, if I check out one that is related, that makes sense, okay, I may end up using it. So but this, I don't know if it is on on Google, but the only way to check is site colon. I'll check, it's not there. I'll also check the short link, short URL. Okay, I will check. Okay, it's not also there. It's not there. Okay, so I'll go back. And I will check. This time around now is for me to check phone. So no longer mobile, since they are related, since they are close to each other. So I will see this. I saw how to integrate ChatGTP with Siri on your iPhone or pad. This is iPhone, I won't use it. What is Tesla telephone? Let me find a better one. Why the Tesla phone will probably never be manufactured. Okay, let me try this out. Are you getting it? Let me check out if this is indents. I believe it should be indents. I got a whole lot of views. Let me see that. This short link is not indents, though I can actually edit it from here. Removing the long whole link. Then check out the short one. But why you should go back if you are just a beginner who don't master the thing, it's better you go back to make sure that this is now the reason why this is not actually indents is because this person didn't follow the process properly. Are you getting it? And this is what we are now correcting. This is an old article, you can see it. This was May, not that old, this year, but it was May. So when we end up paying for article, we waste money so much when the article is not in line with what we want. Okay, in this article there was also to read and some other stuff, but there is a mistake. So I am not here to talk about the mistake now, but these are the things. The mistake is part of what I'm correcting you. So if the links that is being added is not in line with what the topic where the destination of the link is all about, it could cause problem. Okay, it could cause problem. So there is a particular problem here in this article that makes it not to be indents. So I will find out, but that is not what I'm here for. So there is a particular link. It may be that the link has a duplicate. The the same link, the same link duplicated in this article, but the same link in like three or two or more places in one whole article. So it's bad. Okay, I think this is the link. This one is there already, but just like what I have corrected you, how to use Siri, remove Apple, something like that. How to use Siri, remove Apple. Let me check if it is this one. Okay, how to use Siri, remote. How to use the Siri remote for Apple TV. How to use the Siri. You can see this is the problem. I just detected it now. Reason it doesn't get that indents. You see that? So these are the things. If the article did not get indents, how can we make money? We can't. Oh, sorry, because traffic can't come either. Our traffic is we are being paid when traffic come from Google, and once traffic is coming from Google, possibly most of those people it will convert, the our ad will convert very well. So but if it's not coming from Google, then it doesn't make sense. So this is why we are paying on article. We are investing in article, so you can discover that most of these article are useless in our hand. It might shock you that this one so is not also in dense. This particular one may not also be in on Google. Sorry, I make mistake. This one may not also be on Google. If you do it right, yeah, you see that it's not on Google. So you discover that we may end up spending hundreds of thousands paying for article, and yet we are not getting what we want. So right here now, this one, the only thing we have to do is we have to look into them and start correcting them in order to get them to Google. Now, because we have paid these people, asking them to edit your article, do it well, they won't. Now, how can the platform stand where people are not doing the right thing? And that's why we are strict about article these days. If you want to write, you write. If you don't want, you leave. Because it's better we just have few article that is intense, that is bringing us result. And this is why we are getting little result now, better than what we used to have. Are you getting the point? And that is why I'm guiding you. Must have it right. Because any single article you wrote, in fact, yourself, you should be observing it. You probably write article today, and tomorrow you're expecting in tomorrow this article should be on SAP, and you discover that you checked it the way I taught you now is not on Google. The best thing you should do is to report to us. This article is not on Google. Then you too will check up if one link is being duplicated in that article. It means if one link, you added one link in two places, just like I have already corrected you now and all that. So these are the way you can get your this. Now on this note, I've seen this is not on Google. I will check another one, guide to using Siri on iPhone. Okay, this is all about iPhone. Okay, let's test iPhone 14. Okay, we look at this. Can see like this person wrote on this iPhone 14 specification. Let's see how this person can see this is rubbish, and this person got paid. Yeah, I don't know if this person got paid. This was when people, then when people publish article without getting it approved. Now it will be reviewed and we will check if we approve it. Just look at this. If you are the one that is coming to read this, how will you feel? You just jump out immediately. It doesn't make sense. And perhaps this kind of article, it shouldn't be on Google either. Except if you meet other criteria, but it's not mobile friendly. So it might not be on Google and all that. It's not on Google. Even if I check the short distance, this kind of article may not be on Google. You see that? It's not on Google either. So these are the things. So you must understand what I'm saying. You must understand it and follow up. So here we go. We have simple phone tracking step, how to track track a phone. Let me see if this is on Google. Since there is phone there, tracking phone. So is a reader may want to know more, but there's no internal link in this article. It's just the problem. We only have also read link. Okay, let's see if this is on Google. Since it has been long, let me use the long link first. This is on Google, so I can decide to use this. It's because it was published last year August. Okay, so I can decide to use this. So based on phone now, I can now decide to use this link now. You don't have to use the short link since it's the long link that is on Google. If it is the short link that is on Google, use the short link, please. But if it's long link, use it. So that is what you are going to embed where there is phone. Now you can decide to give gap. Now remember this internal link, you can decide to give it, to add it as much as, in fact, the more you add it, like here now is phone, I can decide to put it here, insert it here. You can still decide to gain another link for another phone, more either mobile or phone, just like we did, but it won't be the same article. You go over, but if you have added one for one in a keyword, is always good that you move to another keyword. These are keywords, pixel whatsoever. Do you understand? If there is article that is written on pixel, so the reader may want to know what is even pixel. You get. So if someone have written, it's always good like this. Let's say, what is pixel? Pixel or full meaning of pixel, or a complete stuff about pixel, something that will describe pixel very well, an article that describe pixel very well. If you have such article as previous article, you can embed the link here, so that a reader, the concept is when a reader look at the article, when a reader look at the article, there is embedded link on that keyword particular, so they can decide to click it. When they click it, it will link them to where they will read. Just example of what I'm saying is like this techno. Now I already know that for this color now there is a link, or some may want to know what it is. The benefit is numerous, because a reader can stay on page for long because they are trying to go around. So Google like when a topic are being spread. So let's say there is a topic on techno. Okay, let's say there's a topic on techno common. If there is a topic on techno common, you've mentioned techno common within this article, then it's good you embed the link just like this now, so that a reader can say, okay, let me even check what is techno common 12. Are you getting the point? So that way a reader can stay on the website for long. These are reasons why Google look at some article and rank them. Okay, so you can decide, okay, related article you add based on that category that suits. Probably this is still the same category of phone and gadget, you remember, but then here there is you can add a topic that talks about phone, since it's phone that you are describing. When you are talking about gadgets, you can add a related article on gadgets. So it's good, this is good, but the only problem is that what do you call it, this links are two already. You have this and you have this. So I will advise you, techno is okay, then remove this and replace it with another phone that is already in the article. There is other Tesla phone and all that, replace. Then also edit please, and I noticed that you didn't add price. Okay, let's say you made this article specifically, the audience you made this article for is Nigeria, but we want to make it all over the world. So my advice is this: you've made this price for Nigeria, you go ahead again, below it you write Technospark price in dollar. Okay, Technospark price in dollar. Do you understand me? Then you still mention it. You may go to popular site like Amazon. You can type on Google, what is Techno Spark 10 Spark 10 price. Remember, you didn't even mention Spark 10 here. You just mentioned Spark. Understanding that these are the reason why your article may not even top up. So you must understand these things and be careful with them. Then we are even talking about Spark Pro. So make it full. So when you are talking about it, don't go and write half. Then again, like I said, you already wrote the price in naira here. Then add below again, open a paragraph and put another subtitle like this again, and develop it to be Techno Spark 10 Pro uh, global price in dollar. You now make statements like this. You open your. Then another thing I discover is wording. Like this is Jumia. You made mistake on it. Change it, please. This should be Jumia, not MAI. So correct that spelling, those words. Then please correct those things I have pointed. Go through this video again and correct them. Thank you.